What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants and that's what we talk about here, and today we're here to meet Summer Rayne Oakes. So right now I'm sitting outside of Logee's greenhouse. That's right, I'm back at Logee's again for the second time this week. I was dying of FOMO. I couldn't stand to miss this event, even though I couldn't get tickets to the main event thing, but I did come down for the public meet and greet, and I brought my book to get signed, and I'm here about 20 minutes early, so I'm gonna poke in and see what's going on and where I have to wait and stuff. But I'm really excited because I love Summer's channel. I've learned so much from her. If you didn't already know, I have a little excerpt in her book because I submitted some stories to her when she was writing it, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that book signed and we're gonna check out what plants they had hiding for summer, because I knew the stock looked kind of empty the other day. I knew it. So when I got there, I figured out that I was about 45 minutes early, so I got a chance to walk around the greenhouses and enjoy them, and I thought this time I would go a little slower since some of you said my last tour was way too fast for you, so hopefully this won't make you quite as dizzy, and I wanted to give you a little peek at some of the stock that wasn't around when I was here the last time. Enjoy! So as I got ready to head in and see the talk, I just wanted to let you guys know that obviously I didn't want to record a lot of Summer's talk. It's not really respectful, but I did take a couple clips for you guys, so enjoy.
We could do, you know, a community swap and, you know, maybe collectively, if other people are close, you know, we could start that ourselves. I mean, I would be thrilled to spearhead.
I've had a couple of my Hoyas near a fluorescent grow light get burned, like the tips get burned really quickly, and one day they grow up and then their tips are burned off. So you have to be careful with that. The LED lights they run a little less hot, so sometimes they'll sit on the light for a little while and it won't burn them right away. I have 3 Soltech Solution lights, which are pendant lights, and I think I did episode 52 to 54 are my grow light episodes, and you'll see I took my par meter, which actually
Okay, that was really cool, and I'm super glad I came down here. I was like kind of tight on time and a little bit anxious about it, but it was totally worth it. I got here a little early, so I walked around. I actually met a couple of people who watch my channel, which is crazy. So hi Bree and Nicole. I met Nicole too. And yeah, so that was kind of cool. So I took a picture with Bree. please, if you see me at something like this, come up and talk to me, say hi. I'm very nice. I'll just be super awkward because I don't know how to handle compliments. Summer did a little talk, and it was cool because instead of it being like her usual book talk, it was a small group, so we just kind of had like an open discussion where we got to like ask her questions, and she sort of talked about her life and things that she doesn't really talk about on her channel. I got to hear her say the F word. It was great. So as you can tell, I'm on a plant people high right now. I love plant people so much. I ended up putting back a very expensive and rare plant because I saw still a little bit of webbing in there, and then I was like, you know what, like, it's no big deal, I can just spray the plants, and but then I was like, you know what, this is a sign, stop spending money on plants. So I put it back because, you know what, I've gotten so many plants this month, and I actually might have some when I get home, but you know what, I did get a plant because someone's watching me do this, so I'm going to finish up this video and we're gonna go. Okay, let's go back to Massachusetts. Bye, Connecticut. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So I wanted to tell you guys about my favorite part of Summer's talk, and it was when somebody asked her what we could do, you know, just as plant enthusiasts to combat plant blindness. And if you don't know what plant blindness is, it's where, you know, people, if you're not a plant person, you just sort of see like a blur of plants. It's not, you don't know the difference between them. It might not even register to you that there are plants around you or anything like that. And obviously, you know, if people don't really see plants, they may not care about them, they may not act when it comes time to conserve them, take care of them, etc. So somebody asked Summer what could be done to combat that, and I liked what she said a lot. And she said it a few times in her talk, that your enthusiasm is what gets people into plants, not the plants you have, not how many plants you have, not how cool your plant collection is, your apartment is, your whatever, you know, how many rare aeroids you have. That's not what gets people into plants. It's your enthusiasm. Because she made sure to point out that it doesn't matter if you can't say every plant name right. It doesn't matter if you have a huge collection or not. What matters is your enthusiasm, is your love, is your passion. And I tell you guys all the time, like, I want you to show your passion. Live your passion. Do what you love. Summer Rayne Oakes said so. Hey friends, so that was kind of where I stopped filming for the day, but I wanted to jump in here and tell you, if you didn't already know, unfortunately, Summer lost her pet hen, Kippy, just a few days after she came home from this trip. And some of us on Instagram have been getting together and doing small donations to the Wild Bird Fund, which of course is where Summer got Kippy in the first place. So I thought it would be nice to do that in memory of Kippy, and I told everybody that made a donation, if they wanted to, that they could shoot me a screenshot of, you know, the thank you for your donation page or your email or whatever, just some proof that you donated. And I'm going to draw from all of those names one prize winner for a box of cuttings from me. I'm going to try to get them out ASAP because it is getting cold, but I'm just going to run around my house, take some snips, and send it to you as a thank you. I thought it was something nice we could do for Summer, and she is aware that we're doing it. So if I get to see her in Boston, I am going to take a card with everybody's name on it that donated up there with me as well. So if you do see this today when I publish it, and you get to see this before tomorrow night at midnight, tomorrow is Friday. I don't know what the date is. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. But if you see this before midnight on Friday, you can jump in on the contest. Thank you guys so much for your giving hearts. I may be tapping them again for something kind of exciting, so stay tuned.